Welcome back to my channel. Princess Victoria of Sweden met Daniel in 2002. He was her personal trainer, helping her restore her health, reporting after a serious bout of eating disorder. The two fell in love and married 8 years later. In marrying Crown Princess Victoria, he officially also became Prince of Sweden. Since their marriage, they have 2 children. Princess Victoria, born on 14 July 2017. He is the eldest child of her parents. Her parents to the Swedish throne hold the title of Crown Princess. Victoria was educated in Sudan and studied political science, history of art, and international relations. She has been actively involved in various official duties and management since their teenage years. Her personality is very gorgeous. Defected the legs. She is sitting like the toilet. In 2010, Princess Victoria and Daniel was born on September 73. Before her marriage, Daniel was known as a conner and fitness trainer. Their management was announced in 2009 and their wedding took place in June 19, 2010. Daniel's transition into royal life marked the most modern approaches to the royal marriage in Sudan. After their marriage, he was given the title Princess Daniel. Princess Daniel has been actively involved in various charitable work and social causes along Crown Princess Victoria. Couple has 2 children, Princess Eldest, born on 2011, and Princess Daniel, born on 2019. Princess Victoria and Princess Daniel are known for their commitment to the public with the focus on issues such as children's rights, health, and sports.